It's Charlie Collins here. How are you? I haven't been on for a few days. Today, Peter is going to talk about animals and colours. Oh, he's going to try to. This is another idea for Andy. Thank you, Andy. Oh, here comes Peter. Hello, everybody. How are you today? It's again raining, so I am going to talk about animals and all the different colours. So my favourite animals are pigs. Pigs. You see, she can't say that one, can she? And she's going to try trouble saying what colour they are too. Pink, 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 pigs. That's not easy. She either doesn't give me easy ones. And what noise does a pig make, Colin? Oink, 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 oink. Very good. What's your next animal? Ducks. I like yellow ducks, but I like white ducks with yellow beaks too. And some ducks are white. Some ducks are brown with green bits on. Green bits, yes, they are, aren't they? I'm not sure this is very exciting for everybody at home, though. Oh, maybe you could say the colours of the rainbow. I'll have a go. Richard or York gave that up in vain. So, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. That's very good. Well done. Okay, guys, that's it for tonight. Sorry if it's been a bit boring, but let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to talk about, and we'll try to think of a few more things to talk about ourselves. Okay, take care, everyone. Good night. Good night. Good night. Bye-bye. Oh, I think the bird wants to say something too. Bye, 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 goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Yeah, I still don't know what you're called, but anyway, goodbye.